The tootRN three-step is the method that we utilize to answer questions. And this is really important because when you're reading a question and you're answering a question, you want to make sure that you're seeing all the moving parts and you're using your intuition, you're applying your nursing knowledge, you're utilizing clinical judgment and decision making. So to help you do that, the very first thing in our tootRN three-step is the ask. And what that means, plain and simple, is just identifying what the question is asking you. So bottom line, is the question asking you who to give to the LPN? Is it asking you what medication to give? Is it asking you who to call? Is it asking you what to assess? So just what is it that the item is tasking you with? What is it charging you to do? That's your ask. Why is that so important? Well, when you're selecting an answer option, you want to ensure that your answer option aligns directly to what it was that the question even asked you to do in the first place. The second thing that we want to do is identify the problem. That's step 2. The problem we find by taking all the data that the question is giving us. And that's really important because we take that information and we apply our knowledge there. And we use our application and our analyzing skills there to help us to think about outcomes. Where is this problem going to go? What is this going to turn into? What do I anticipate? What do I expect the outcomes of the problem to be? The third step is a solution. So in order to find the solution to the question, we have to think about outcomes of the problem, like we did in step 2. And now we have to think about outcomes of the answer options. I want you to consider this. When you're thinking about outcomes of the answer options, imagine you're playing a choose your own destination type of deal. And that's really the type of thinking you want to utilize. So when you look at your answer options you have, A, B, C, D, E, F, however many options you have in front of you, consider what is the outcome going to be? Where is the destination that I'm going to end up, that my patient's going to end up in if I choose A, if I choose B, if I choose C, if I choose D? That's how we think about outcomes, and that's how we find a solution. We're combining both the anticipated result of the problem and the anticipated result of our answer option. Which one brings us to where we want to be, where we want our patient to be, where we want this scenario to end? Let's look at a couple of example items and practice utilizing our tootRN three-step.